Hello? This is she. Oh, hi. Hi. I'm great, but I'm actually streaming live on the computer right now. So, can you call me back later on today? Hello, everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Me? I'm here, honey. So that means I have another chance to get it right, whatever it is. It could mean a lot of things. I don't know what your it is, but if you are here and you are breathing, it is another chance for you to get it right. I think I might have PPD. I'm serious about this. I mean, it's not a joke. I know I joke around a lot. And I may joke, but still, I'm keeping it real. I'm telling you the truth. I think I may have PPD. What do you think PPD is? Phoenix Fire hit on it. Postpartum depression. But y'all, I'm almost 58 years old. How the heck am I gonna have postpartum depression? See this gray? No, but it's something like it. I have, or I had, or I've been experiencing, which I was wondering exactly what is wrong with me. Post-project depression. You know, I created that skirt back there, and some of y'all haven't seen it. But that took a lot of steam and a lot of concentration, especially since I was not following a pattern. So it came from the soul. So when I was finished, I was still on a high. But it was after I presented it on Sunday that this depression set in, y'all. And so, see, Buddha, that's my son, he asked, is it because you're not getting the recognition that you feel you deserve on your pieces? No, that's not it. Because y'all know, if I really wanted some recognition, I'd be posting on Facebook, my project. I'd be posting it on Instagram. I would be posting it on Twitter. Y'all know, when's the last time I posted a project of what I made anywhere? That's not it. It's that all that steam and effort that went into creating that project, it's like a letdown. It's like it's no longer there anymore. And it's like, what do I do next? What do I do next? Do any of you experience post-project depression? I'm interested to know. Now, y'all, guess what? Now I can get to it. I got some junk, and I got a lot of junk, and the music went, and it's so perfect. Now the camera's showing that up nice and light. Look at that, y'all. Woo-hoo! This is one. It is a nice cake. It's a heck of a nice cake. Ooh. No. It's from Hobbii. And I love Hobbii because they'll give you this starter tag, easy start. But it says Black Friday on there. But I did not get it during Black Friday. I got it after Black Friday, but they have, I guess, a line that's called Black Friday. And I guess they bring it out during Black Friday. But this is 100% cotton. 100% cotton. It is a limited edition. And they never put the color on here. They always just put a number. And that's something I don't like because I can't tell y'all exactly what it's called. But this was made in India. They're suggesting that you use a 3.5 to 4 millimeter in crochet, and in knitting 2.5 to 3.5. You see, like Nacho Mama says, you can hang 2 of those on your wall in the bedroom, and it will look like eyeballs looking at you while you sleep. Oh, really? Then I guess I'll have 2 eyeballs looking at me while I sleep. I know. This is actually black. I don't know if it's showing up as black for you. All the other colors are showing up right, but this is black. And I am really learning from you guys that in order for something to give really that dramatic pop, you need a darker color with your lights, with your vibrant colors. And so, and again, this is 100% cotton. It is cotton cake, 100% limited, and it is from Hobbii. This does not look like an eye. But too bad, because I got 2 of these too. 2 of these too. So, this is so pretty. Oh. This is Truboo, which is Lion Brand's answer to bamboo. Y'all, this is so soft. It's 100% bamboo, isn't it? I'm just telling y'all, and I don't even know. It is. I'm sure it is. I'm sure that's what this is. That is what it is, right? Yes. Rayon. It is shiny. It is another shiny one. This is called yellow. But it's more like a it's yellow. It's a very soft yellow. That is this. But y'all know I never get, y'all know the spiel. I never get one of anything. Now, of course, this is 3 in here. But that would mean I just got one color, and y'all know better than this. And if you don't know better than this, you are learning this about me. And there it is. I know Nacho Mama ain't gone. But it's a peachy. It's more of a peachy color. But look at these. Ooh. This is a bit too. But anyway, I got this one, this peachy color. It is called Coral. It's pretty, huh? It's called Coral, y'all. This is so pretty. Look at that. Join and post it. Thank you. Thank you so. Do you like pink? Do you like the pink hues, Buttercup? I says this Buttercup's name is sort of a very pale pink. Okay. Okay? What is Buttercup's favorite color? Somebody need to play it. Come on, Orca Jade. Come on now. You don't remember? You the one who clipped that clip. Was pink. Oh my God, Shelby too. Somebody please play that for me. What I said in chat that somebody clipped it for me, please. Well, not your mama said it's
pink. It's all about the pink. Pink.
There you go, pink. It's all about the pink. Pink, honey. It is all about the pink with me. It is all about the pink. Can you see my booty? Thank God. I'd have to delete the VOD because y'all, please tell me you couldn't. No, my shirt is down. You can't see nothing. Thank God.
Be strong. Be strong.